Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Rednote on your Android phone. So the first thing you do is open up your Play Store or your Android device. So from your Android device, open up your Play Store app and then tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar at the top and write Rednote. And that's it. Then you tap on install. Let's open it up. So this is Rednote for you to share, connect and love. This is the Rednote app. Explore the global village without language barrier. Make international friends. Get curious about their life. Here in Rednote you share, connect and love. This is the app. So now we click on install. And once it's through installing, it's going. Once it's through downloading, it will install automatically. It's as simple as that. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to download and install Rednote. If you want to know how to use Rednote, that will be in our next video, how to use Rednote. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.